Alright guys, I've always wanted these. I saved up to buy these shoes from Steve Madden. Close your eyes, Boa. I hope you like them.
Why should I close my eyes
if you don't, I don't give
a... Are you serious?
Had you seen them before?
No.
Wait, do you not like them or something?
I mean, they're okay.
This is it. I love them. What?
How much did they cost?
76. They were 100, but they gave me a discount because it was Black Friday. These are fire. I love them.
Online?
Yes. Oh my god, I've always wanted these boots. Always, always, always. I didn't even know what they were. I didn't even know Steve Madden. Honestly. And then I realized people are making replicas of these. Like in other, like there's a lot of other places.
Not only they're only 75.
They're beautiful.
Okay guys, so we wanted to make a quick update video on what's going on with the 3 channels that we currently have going on, floating around, and whatnot. So first and foremost, we want to say that Natalie's Outlet is obviously our main primary channel, which was always Natalie's. You have been amazing. We've been doing really well on there, and I'm very proud of Natalie for that.
Natalie and Dennis Show.
So then we have the Natalie and Dennis Show, which was our vlog channel, previous vlog channel, but now will be more towards challenges, reactions, and more funny pranks, but more kind of not as prepared as the primary, I think, more mellow and kind of funny. And now, starting December 2nd, which will end up being tomorrow, Friday, we are going to start the Dennis's Outlet channel, which will be our new vlog channel.
And you're gonna be doing other stuff on there too.
So not only am I gonna be doing vlogs on there, but I am also gonna be doing certain special types of videos. So for the most part, the videos on Dennis's Outlet are gonna be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Yep. They're gonna be super consistent. They're gonna be up every morning, so be sure to turn on notifications and be ready to have them in your sub box every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I said it again. There'll be a link to my channel down below. By the time this video comes up, probably the channel is already created and you can go subscribe. No videos will be up as of right now, as of the moment of this video being up tomorrow. But on Friday morning, the first official vlog will be up on Dennis's Outlet. So on the Dennis's Outlet channel, you will find me. But Natalie will also be a part of it.
I'll be there. The typical people will be there, but Dennis is going to be doing a lot more things. Like, it's focused on you, pretty much.
Correct.
So that's going to be exciting. I can't wait to see.
My channel, go check it out.
Hopefully you keep up with the vlogs. Don't fail us.
So, I just want you guys to know that Natalie and Dennis Show is still going. We're just thinking about things to do for this channel.
Honestly, like...
And focusing on what to do for the other one,
yeah.
And then kind of spreading it out really well. I think the main emphasis in this past couple months was for me to finish school. I finished today. Today was my last day of school ever in like life. So definitely YouTube is 100% priority right now.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work.
For this channel, Natalie and Dennis Show, we're going to be doing whatever you guys honestly want to see. We're going to be doing a lot more challenges, question and answers, some routine videos, maybe some hauls, just some girly stuff, and whatever else Dennis wants to incorporate.
Yes, I also want some, you said girly stuff.
Yeah.
I want some guy stuff occasionally too. I want some reviews. I want...
Why don't you do that on your channel?
Unboxings. Well, why do you do it on this one and not on yours?
Well, then I don't get what your channel's gonna be then.
My channel's, well, okay, I guess, whatever.
Yeah.
But if I feel like doing something on Natalie and Dennis Show, like I can totally do it.
Yeah.
Just be sub to all 3. Know that we're posting videos on all 3. And I mean, this I mentioned this in the vlog. I have already kind of prepared Friday's video.
Yeah.
But the Dennis's Outlet channel is starting at 0.
Obviously.
It has no subs. We're starting from scratch. Yeah. And it's a great way to kind of like transition over and start fresh. So I feel like it's gonna be really sweet. It's gonna be awesome. So really quick, I just want to say thank you for everyone that's been watching our vlogs on the Natalie and Dennis Show.
I'm sorry we slacked off for 2 weeks. We kind of just needed. I don't know what happened.
I think we needed to readjust and kind of reevaluate what we were doing on each channel.
Yeah, it's really hard to manage several channels at once.
Yeah.
So now I'm happy that Dennis can get, he's out of school.
Yep.
Peace out, and then
I said bye to school, hello to YouTube, so
yeah.
there's that. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, don't forget.
Yeah.
Be there! Show your true Audi colors.
I love boots, and these are like wow. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear these. They look uncomfortable. Oh my god, I'm gonna try them on right now. I love that. You don't think they're pretty?
They're okay, yeah, I'm not saying they're bad.
The color is gorgeous. Are you serious? These are beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god, they fit like a glove. I mean, not with this outfit, but really, you guys? Okay, I love them.
I think they would look better with pants.
Yeah, they probably would.
Yeah, because like the shorts ain't working.
And the shirt ain't working.
No.
But these shoes are working alone.
Holding a huge box of
I need
cornflakes.
to get milk.
Oh my god, they're so pretty.
Oh yeah, good milk.
Feels so stupid. They're very gorgeous. Oh my god, are they not gorgeous?